Hello friends! We are excited to present a demonstration of a new product from ISSAI, TilSync. Let's take a look. First, go to TilSync New Edu KZ and log in. If you haven't used ISSAI Playground products before, you can quickly register or log in with your Google account. Next, click the download button. An installation file will be downloaded to your computer. Run the installation, select for all users and complete the setup. After installation, open the TilSync application and log in again using your ISSAI Playground credentials. Then, click the Start button and choose the language for translation, Kazakh, Russian or English. The first 10 minutes of use are free, so you can experience how the application works. After that, the cost is 100 tenge per minute of translation, deducted from your overall ISSAI Playground balance.